Okay, here we are at the Heritage Hills Resort in York. We have hydraulic MTs here. If we're not making a stop, okay, good. Oh. Okay, might need to pause the video. Here we go up. Let's get a cab view. Pretty nice cab. I like it. This one has, this is the service car. I'm going to 3 and switch. Might need to cut the recording as well because there's a lot of people up here. Okay, no one was up here, but let's go switch cars at 3. These are really nice. There's another one here, but I'm not gonna... Oh god, that was a harsh stop. Okay, switch down here. Watch that one go. These are really nice. There's not even a view over here, so. Here's this one. Yeah. Watch from back here. Go into down on LL. I really like the cabs in these. These were installed in, I believe, 97. These are nice. I'm watching the kid.
Love the way this next one starts. Love this band. It's a truly an alternative band about to throw at you Hoodoo Gurus. Swuggo on First Wave. And the lyrics in it are awesome as well. You know what? Play by any rules you want. That's just, you just go ahead and just name them. And we'll just...
Here we are down on LL.
The way it just kicks off. It's a great one. It is What's My
And
Secret?
that will be it.